Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today I wanted to have a real quick talk about measuring instruments, more specifically calipers. Now these here are vernier calipers, and I have found that these here are very handy in the shop to make really quick measurements and fairly precise. They do have a big drawback, however, as that, they do not take and measure down in like the really small increments, like in the thousandths or anything like that, thousandths of an inch. And that's where these take and come in, these type calipers. And these can be very handy and instrumental in the shop. They come with some hardened, they're usually hardened unless you buy a cheap one like this one here. As always, I'll put the links to these in the description down below, and where you can find those. Be aware those are affiliate links, and they do go to help support the channel and what I do. But without further ado of that, there's going to come a time in your smithing career that you're going to need to take and measure something for duplication, and you just can't get around it without having some very accurate measurement tools. I once thought that all you needed was a tape measure and a ruler, but I've been proven wrong on so many levels time and time again. So anyways, these are very handy tools. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what type of measurement tools you use in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you. And like always, God bless you, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.